how to create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. So if you want to create an Instagram account without the other person knowing, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your Instagram, go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, go with your name, which will be on the top, and here you need to go with add Instagram account, and then you can go with create new account, which is on the bottom, and here you can create the username. So make sure that you've created a username that is unique, and after creating your username, you can enter your email, which the other person or which others don't have access to, and the mobile number, a new mobile number. You can go with a new mobile number, and you can create your account with all of the new things like your new email, your mobile number, and a unique username. After creating your account, you can go with your profile of the new account and go with the upper right, which has that three bar. And here you need to search for contacts, and make sure that you have not uploaded your contacts, because if you've uploaded your contacts, then it will let you or your friends know that you've created a new account. So make sure that your contact syncing is turned off, and that's it. That's how you can create an Instagram account without anyone knowing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.